Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plug toilet. Let's see what we find.
All right. All right, we got something. Looks like that may have been it. Maybe not. Feel like there's something stuck in there. So, I think there's something stuck in there. It's gonna plug up after this. Reason why. Right back there, that's that double trap, and that's where it's built up. The cable wouldn't go all the way in, would only go halfway. That tells me it's right there.
So it did keep going down, so I'm gonna just let them know if it backs up again too, they're gonna have to replace this toilet because I believe there's something stuck right there. This management likes to get their own maintenance guys to do that kind of stuff, so they'll have to do that during regular working hours. Thanks for watching if you guys made it to the end. Till next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Dragna.